All right, so it's a beautiful Sunday morning. It hasn't got too hot yet. I'm hanging out with Shum and Janice, and we're gonna walk around old Kuala Lumpur, which does include Chinatown.
That's right.
And we'll see what else we can find. This looks cool. Honestly, I saw some of this when I was on the bus tour with last time I was here, but I never got off the bus. You got to get off the bus if you're going to see anything cool. So let's see what we can find in downtown KL. All right, we're going to find something local for breakfast. That's the plan, right?
You see this?
Yeah, this is cool. What is this?
It's actually the Malaysian kite we call WAU. W-A-U.
W-A-U.
Yeah,
Wow.
It's like a kite.
I mean, that's what it literally is like a kite. Like if you have a WOW, you fly it like a kite.
Exactly.
It's basically just a kite. Okay. With a cooler name than kite. That's all that it is.
A cooler name and a cooler shape.
It is a cooler shape.
They are usually really huge, but not that size, okay? Obviously. But it's huge. Larger than a typical kite would be. What we fondly call as Chinatown.
Oh, is that what we're doing? We're going down this, then we're going to go down this street?
Yeah. It's too early, as you can see. Still not open yet.
Oh, I smell barbecue. I smell like charcoal.
Charcoal, yeah, that's right.
Yeah, I like charcoal.
Pretty well known as well for porridge.
Oh yeah, I had porridge the other day.
I should have taken you here the other day.
Yeah, you should have. We're going for curry noodles this morning because that's just my thing.
Oh, this morning market. Already?
Some kind of market. Just trying to keep up. Just trying to keep up. You know how this goes.
Extra.
Should I just put that in like I normally do with my stuff?
Yeah, I do it. I do this as well. You can see over here. Just mix it up.
Let's mix it in there. It's a big bowl anyway, so.
This is a small one that I ordered.
This is a small?
Yeah.
My goodness, if you order the big one and you eat it by yourself, you have a problem. You know what I'm saying?
I do.
Do you order it the large?
I would, but I did because I want to eat again later.
Ah, yeah, that's smart.
Going for a beef noodle.
Oh, is that? That's right. We're gonna go get some beef noodle. Today's my noodle day. I learned when I first got over here, I like these noodle dishes too much. I started gaining weight because I was eating fried noodles all the time. Couldn't help it. They were so good.
It's a type of flat noodle. A type of flat noodle.
Oh, it's a kind of plant noodle? What kind of broth is that? It's a sweet dish?
Yeah. It's like they will teach you sweetness.
Oh, all right. We'll see. All right. We'll try this real quick. We just wanted to film what we were about to eat.
Hainanese Temple in the heart of KL.
Cool. I like the.
So yeah, you can basically roam around.
All right, let's roam around.
Yeah.
Maybe I get a couple of shots on my phone. Okay, we've checked out some temples. Now we're gonna head over and get some beefy noodles.
Right, you don't say beefy noodles, right? You just say beef noodles.
Beef noodles, beef noodles. I apologize. I said it incorrectly.
And that was me leading you to it.
Did you say it wrong?
Ah, purposely.
Why would you set me up for failure, Shum?
That's what I do best.
Yeah. This is where people put things in the comments when you say things like that, Shum. In fact, when Shum does that, you guys should just put Shum shouldn't do that in the comments for me. Seems like everything I do here in Malaysia is centered around food. But as a big guy, I know none of you have noticed that, but as a big guy, I kind of, enjoy that. Like I said, every restaurant in Malaysia sells fried chicken. Here's another one.
It used to be a cinema, but let's go inside and see.
Okay, let's go.
Turn it into. What's the wrong with you? But it just retain the structure of the building.
Sure, put it back to use for something else.
Yeah.
Smart.
Meat floss.
Yeah.
Is one of the more famous ones.
Meat floss. I'm going to assume that's not for flossing your teeth.
Nope.
Big
not at
stick
all.
of meat. Why is it called floss?
Because it looks like that, I suppose.
Oh, does it look like floss?
Yeah.
Oh. So it's kind of like a stringy meat?
I'm gonna make you regret this.
Why?
No, I'm kidding.
Oh, Shum,
Asking me and me, giving you false information along the way.
maybe that's our new thing. We'll call you Shum, the worldwide tour guide. It's a cool mural.
I've not seen this myself.
Yeah, I wish.
係咪有穿過嘅？
Yeah.
This is Chinese opera.
Oh, is that what that is?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. That's a fancy dress that you wear.
It's your new career. You just haven't realized. Your next big step is Chinese opera. Yeah, now that would be something. I'll be excited when there's a way to go up there and get to do that tower too. That'll be super cool.
Yeah, let's walk across.
Sham saw that I was excited about that market and he was like, no, you can't go there.
Any point.
You can't go there. All jokes aside, we are very thankful for Sham showing us around. Follow me, I will give you a guided tour of wherever we're going. I have no idea where we're at though. But I am a huge fan of all this street art. It's very nice. The murals all over the place. I didn't realize that there were so many here. Look at this. Yeah, make sure we get the artists get credit, see? Look at this. This is amazing though. I mean, I know these are like unofficial exhibits, Sean, but they're very cool. Eddie's right here. Make sure I'm in the middle of them.
Can I do that in person? To you?
Yeah. Any goofy poses, any whatever. I can do them all. I don't care. Yeah. Oh, crazy how the sun's coming through there with the clouds. Hello. Sunday at the market with Shum. Go get my Minecraft t-shirt. Get a new shirt. You can get some drawers here. Some Calvin Klein drawers. Tons of t-shirts. Did we reach the end already? If you're enjoying the video, because Shum is so wonderful, then you should make sure to like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. Alright, welcome to the beef noodle line. We're now in the beef noodle line. Shum promises these are the best beef noodles anywhere, ever, in the history of the world. Maybe not the best in the world, but pretty good.
Of all multiverses.
Oh, all multiverses. You have the Shum guarantee of approval.
What?
That's pretty strong words there. So if you disagree with Shum, I'll make sure to put his personal email in the comments below. Okay.
You scooted, perhaps?
Yeah, I thought you were being. I was like, oh yeah, what are we doing?
Yeah.
This next part we go by horseback. Before I forget, the beef noodles were very good. So highly recommend that place. Looks like there's lots of people out here enjoying Sunday afternoon, getting some pictures. Young couple there, that's nice. Beef noodles were good. We had some kind of coffee done over, like it was done in clay pots over charcoal. That was interesting. And what else did we have? We had some, we had some kind of noodle dish for breakfast. Shum is not helping the diet, if you're wondering. Make sure to do us a favor, like and subscribe, smash that stupid notification bell where you don't miss any of these videos coming up in the future.
Now let's talk about murals over here.
Oh, yeah, this is good. All right, you did good here. I was wondering.
In the evening, all the lights will be on, and then there'll be water fountains from this mosque.
Ah. Yeah, KL is an awesome city. Yeah, I see a lot of things that do not look diet. I'll tell you that right now. I think I saw like French fries covered in chocolate. Is that a thing here? That's what it looked like. I think I've seen that twice now. Some kind of potato covered in chocolate. And granted, I'm not against it. It just sounds like it's probably not the healthiest thing. This is where you're like, Bill, it's not chocolate, it's Milo. French fries covered in Milo. Much safer for you.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to click like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. Until next time, farewell.